So, mukbangin po natin ang santol. Sarap. Hello everyone! Magbalat po tayo ng santol. Binilhan po ako ulit ng anak ko ng santol. Hindi siya kasing fresh nung last time. So, ganito rin ba kayo magbalat? Na nyo? Ganito ako magbalat. Subukan kong hindi maputol. Sabi nila, pag di daw naputol, pwede kang mag-wish. I don't know kung totoo. Mag-comment below kung naniniwala kayo na pwedeng mag-wish kapag hindi naputol ang balat. I'm trying not to putol it. Yan po siya. Hindi na lang. Yan. Hindi po siya naputol. So, I can make a wish. Yan po siya. Payag ba kayo na matutupad ang wish kapag hindi siya naputol? Comment below. So, ganito po yun. Para masarap siya. Para makakain pati itong ganito niya. Meat. Tapos lagyan ng asin. Tapos lamas-lamasin. Parang kulang pa ata. Hanggang maging juicy. Lalapas yung juice niya because of the salt. Ayan. So, yummy. So, mukbangin po natin ang santol. Sarap. Tingin ko. Medyo malaki tong buto. Yung meat po niya. Kayo po, paano nyo kinakain ang santol? Ano po siya? It's sweet. Malaki po ang buto, hindi pwedeng lunukin. Meron pa. Ayan po. So, kumusta na po kayo? Ako, nag-pick up po ako ng 12-hour shift kanina. Tapos nag-pick up ako ulit for tomorrow. So, mag-work ako another 12 hours. To those who are new to our channel, isa po akong personal support worker na nag-work sa hospital for the veterans. So, lagi pong 12-hour shifts. Sometimes may mga 8 hours or 4 hours, but usually 12-hour shift. So, in order to survive in one paycheck, dapat meron kang 6 12-hour shifts in 2 weeks to pay your bills. But if you want to have extra money, then you can pick up 1 or 2 shifts, pero usually 1 shift extra halos ayaw na nilang ibigay because they don't wanna pay overtime. Unless they're desperate, short talaga sila, then they'll be paying for overtime. Like what I did for the last paycheck, I was able to pick up 1 extra, so I got 84 hours. Eh, ang full-time hours is 75, I think, so that's extra money. But this paycheck, I still have 1 to make it 6, and pag swinerte, I could pick up 1 more para may pang santol. Yun lang naman. Because I'm part-time, if you pick up, you should be willing to go anywhere they want you to work. So, papasabak na naman ako bukas. Sarap po. So, 2 malalaking buto. The last time we bought, yung santol na isa lang yung malaki. Pero ngayon, 2. Hindi pwedeng lunukin. So, sinundo ko po si Ganda. Mag-work din siya. Mas mag-work din daw siya bukas. Yun lang. Yun lang buhay namin. Siya, school work, bahay, work, ganun din. Hindi pa ako nag-visit kay Afam. Siya yung pumupunta dito. Punta ulit siya ng Monday. Yun lang. Share ko lang. Ano pa ba? Next, as a Monday, I'll have my Canadian citizenship oath taking. Finally, natapos na rin kasi noon ayaw kong mag-apply, but I think it's about time. So ceremony on Monday, then after 5 days pwede na akong mag-apply ng passport, and hopefully we could travel very soon. Yun lang po, may konti pa. So inaantay ko lang yung anak ko tapos sa washroom. Wash lang ako ng face kasi nag-wash na ako, nag-shower na ako kanina. Pero ito, hindi ko pa tinanggal yung hindi kailangan ng facial wipes. Yun lang ang ganap. It's a tiring day, and for sure mas pagod na naman bukas kasi ang hirap mag-work ng day shift, but wala namang choice because Judith is waving. Daming bayarin, bayad dito, and I need to send money to my parents too. But I'm so thankful to God that He provides all our needs financially and everything. I cannot complain. So yun lang, dapat tayo maging grateful kung ano man yung meron tayo. Pagpasalamat natin. At may God bless us all and guide us every day. Yun lang. Salamat sa suporta again. For sure, Anita Flora is there. Says thank you. Labraceros, Yanira Herames, Tim Makukulit, si Lalabs, Sarah, thank you sa inyong lahat. Collabs. Yun lang, huwag tayong magsawa. Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin ako makakasahod. Baka next year ako sasahod dito sa YouTube. At anyways, we'll just have fun. Yun lang, konti na lang. And post ko na. I don't know, parang pareho lang sila ata ng bayad, $10 something ang isang santol. Yun lang. Again, it's Mom of Ganda and Mom. Bye for now. Mwah.
Hello viewers and subscribers, thank you for supporting our channel, Ganda and Mom. And please don't forget to join and keep supporting us. Thank you!